I will quickly show you how to dictate font name from any book cover, any surface, any wallpaper, or even pictures. By opening your WhatTheFont app, you can get the app in Play Store. After downloading the WhatTheFont app, open your app and take the picture of that surface, the exact spot where the text is. Then after processing the image, click this icon to place that bar or rectangle on the text. Then click the blue icon to proceed. After a little while, the result will show up. Then you can now pick the name of that font and make your search on any font platform. It will surely suggest many names, but you have to take or pick the one which is best or the one you prefer most.